Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on block gifted subs for unfollowed channels on Twitch application. So how to turn on block gifted subs for unfollowed channels on Twitch application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Twitch app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Twitch app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top left. And appears like this. Tap Security and Privacy menu. And tap Block Gifted Subs for unfollowed channels. So that's it, tutorial turn on block gifted subs for unfollowed channels on Twitch application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.